Hello guys, welcome back to another video. That was just like a quick thing of me getting my BMX out. I put on my Instagram poll today, what do you want to see? Bike check and what I've got on my bike and everything like that. Or a one pedal wheelie, which is going to be on my mountain bike. I'm going to see if I can do that because I haven't got a pedal on my mountain bike at the moment. My crank arm is gone. So, you know, wish me luck on that one. Just got my BMX at the shed. My mountain bike's up there under shelter. And it's like a really nice day today. It's really hot. So I'm going to film that on MTB Lindsay. This is what you're watching it on now. MTB Lindsay. Make sure to subscribe. This is going to be my main channel as well as Vehicle Madness. Vehicle Madness is all of our channel basically. And, you know, we got to have the helmet for safety. Just in case, you know. So, yeah, safety first, kids. I'm going to get my BMX now, take it up onto the grass, and we'll just play around with the bikes. Right, just got both of the bikes up onto the grass. Now I'm going to do a little bike check for you, and yeah, stay tuned. The X-rated BMX. Still got both of the pedals, unlike my mountain bike. Got a buckled front wheel. That won't spin. Got these on there and on the back. And yeah, it's just a normal BMX. Now that I've showed you the BMX, I'm going to tell you a little like backstory on the BMX. So every single time that I literally press the back brake, it would literally snap. So I've just took the back brake off it really and just left the front one on there. But I'm hopefully going to get an RT1, Ryan Taylor's BMX, hopefully. If I get it for Christmas, then that'll be good. But I don't really care, this BMX can get me anywhere really. And yeah, it's just, the only reason that I took the back brake off is because it just kept coming off really. And now I'm just going to show you the mountain bike. It's got 27.5 wheels, I think. Right, this crank arm. In the skate park, I went into this kid on accident and it snapped my pedal. These are the new pedals which I got on there. Then literally as soon as I went out on them, the pedal fell out of there and all the threads come out of there. Come on, focus. I won't focus. But all the threads come out and I can't really put the pedal back in there. And I'm not gonna get a new like set to fit the pedal back in. I'm just gonna get a new crank arm, SR Suntool one. And then I'm just gonna get that. But there's nothing wrong with this really. Couple of scratches on there, but that's from going up the trails with the boys and all on Vehicle Madness. But yeah, that's just my mountain bike. It's a Voodoo. I think it's a Voodoo. It's Voodoo. Oh, I can't remember what it's called. Right, it's called a Voodoo Bantu. It was like 300 quid. My BMX was about 160. It's an X-rated, black and gold. So that was my BMX and my mountain bike. Now I'm gonna try and attempt the one pedal wheelie on this. I can only really wheelie on the right pedal, but that's the one which is gone. Like I can only pull up on the right pedal. So today's basically a practice of the left pedal wheelie, which I'm going to try and to attempt now with one pedal. So wish me luck. I'm gonna be wearing a helmet just for safety. This one wheel wheelie ain't really gonna go far, is it? Well, don't know what else to do now. Thought I was gonna go really well, but you know. Right, this channel's called NTB Lindsay, yeah? Go follow my Instagram. I'll leave it on the screen if I can. And like, I'm trying to like make this channel go far. With the vehicle madness one, we can all make that one go far. But with this one, I'm gonna have to try my hardest, like, and just do the best I can. Because on the vehicle madness channel, we just don't really try. And I think all of us are go into our own channels now, but we're still gonna do vehicle madness. But you know, this video is gonna be like a short one, I think. If it's not, and if I find something else to do, then I'll do it. But at the moment, I don't really think this video ain't gonna go well. So I might ask my brother to come out and play a little bit of bike dodgeball, where he kicks the balls at me. But so guys, I'm at the end of the video here. There's nothing really to do. I'll probably upload on this channel more when I'm ungrounded. I'm ungrounded on the 1st of July, 7 days, keep counting. But there's nothing really else to do. I'm going to take my bike on holiday with me, 19th of July, stay tuned for that. I'm hopefully going to take it on holiday with me. So, you know, that's when the summer holidays is as well. So that's the first day of summer holidays. So stay tuned for the summer holidays, because there's going to be loads going up on this channel and Vehicle Madness. Stay tuned, because hopefully I'm going to get a new crank arm. And then hopefully there'll be more videos on this channel, like Wheelie and everything like that. I haven't mastered wheeling yet. And I'll show you my snap pedal now, which I snapped before. I'll show you basically my toolbox. And it's all my stuff which I've broke on my BMX, my mountain bike and scooter and stuff like that. So this is it. Here's my back brake cable. And then like you've got the snap pedal in there, you know. Bits off some scooters. Got the snap pedal. And that's just basically my toolbox. And it's a bin, which we never use. So that was the bin we never use, aka toolbox. So I'm going to end the video here, guys. If you liked it, please subscribe, like, turn on post notifications, share this channel, share Vehicle Madness, subscribe to Vehicle Madness, like the videos on Vehicle Madness, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.